fasten until the captain turns off the seatbelt signs. Be careful when opening overhead bins. Items will tend to move during the flight. If you need any assistance in plating, feel free to remain seated. After we arrive at the gates, we can better assist you, and all your checked bags will be found at the carousel. I'll give you a number for that. But any item that says claim at gate or pink tag, you can check that, receive that plate side. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this Boston crew, we do thank you so much for your patience tonight.